everyone, it's Marlena Burton. Super excited and grateful to share with you. First, I want to invite you to use my recipe for full-time freedom. Leverage $1 a day, add it to your travel jar, travel fund, and in the process, just give thanks, thank you, that I have more than enough money. Thank you for full-time freedom. Thank you for the ability to travel, whatever floats your boat. So, and then I'm going to show you where I literally put my money to multiply it back to me. You know, this is a money seed, and every seed that you sow should grow, right? So we don't have to worry about the growing part. We just need to sow the seed. And so doing this daily trains your brain that you are going to create a habit of freedom, success, that you are planning on traveling. It's just renewing your mind to transform your life, right? So I have 3 of these. One system pays all my bills, yay. One's for travel and one's for a newer car. So I learned this from T. Harv Eker. He's a multi-millionaire, and a young lady started with just $1. That's all she had. She started different jars. He does the jar method. And so she took 10 dimes and started placing them in different funds. He also says that you have to have a play jar, and some personalities are not big on play. So every 90 days we have to utilize that money for play and for fun. So anyway, we have a new travel system added. It's VIP for Nexus Rewards. This Nexus Rewards VIP travel for less. So I want to invite you to go to the number 10ktravelclub.com. I have the Nexus site redirected there, or you can go to nexussnap.com/say yes now. So here's how it works, guys. It's super simple. You can be a customer, or you can refer other people. There's the Nexus Snap system that was already in place. This is just an addition. And so you can just watch the video. That's all you have to do is share the video. We're not travel agents. There are no health savings or income guarantees. All results vary. So you may not make a dime, I don't know. So there are no income claims there. So just watch the video, see if it lights your fire. If it does, wonderful. If not, just be a customer, okay? And our customers get 3 free apps to utilize, their cashback apps, and so it works wonderful. So I love to travel. I literally walked away from a 30-year career because I love to travel. I love to see people make memories and be a part of people's success. I love to see people just change a little bit of something with their thinking and literally change their life. So it's not very difficult at all. And so just have fun, you know, just have fun in life. We're just passing through. Be easy, be light, be joyful, be, you know, vibe in peace and freedom. And goodness will find you. Money will just find you. Money is just a given. So we know that money's going to show up from somewhere. So anyway, my number is 618-223-6006. Have an amazing day. Let me know how I can help you. And by the way, our full-time freedom team, we're building multiple income streams. So since January of 2024, we've literally helped over 10,000 people. So again, go to 10ktravelclub.com, and I'll see you in the back office. Have an amazing day. God's bless.